No?
Sure.
You're not going to talk? Say hi.
Don't be a jerk.
Say hi, Daddy. Say hi to Daddy.
Daddy!
I'm videotaping his face. You should see his facial expressions. They're so funny. Say hi to Dad. Tell him how much you love your new shoes. Just kidding. Give me the phone.
You're being a jerk.
I don't know. How come you're being a jerk? Show Daddy your teeth.
I can do that too.
No, you can't chew my thumb. Hey, stop. Settle. Oh, say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. What? No, you cannot chew on the phone. I'm sorry, you cannot. Say bye-bye. Oh, I cannot wait until your dad watches this movie. Yeah, he's going to. Yes, he's watching it. Look at those shoes.
What? Go. Boy.
Do you like your shoes?